Tim, what's up, man? Good morning. Dang, looking at the Telegram chat, looks like some people already crushed the markets today. Good shit. Looks like we had some good moves here during London. Here. Oh, like right when I woke up. Everybody already crushed the markets. Let's see. What do we got? Ooh, nice slingshot here on the daily. We got a nice daily resistance here. Let's see if we start rejecting or we're just gonna push through. This thing seems to be driving pretty hard here. 4-hour resistance here, that's what we're coming into right now. Alright, so I think on GJ, I mean, if it keeps pushing, we'll look for like closure above here, 169.040, some sort of support formed in this area to fill the rest of this range. But honestly, with the way it's moving currently, I'm really going to anticipate some sort of pullback, and then we can catch the retest of the highs, or some sort of bearish candle to show us that we're going to have some sort of continuation. Let's see. Yeah, so there's a couple scenarios that we could see here. So first thing that I would like to see is some sort of bearish candle to form, some sort of resistance, and then we can continue printing bearish and then once we see something like this, you know, we can look to take buys to continue up. So this would be our MP special, you know, price moving up, forming a level of resistance, come down, forming a level of support, and then we take entries as the highs are broken right here to continue up. So that's like first situation, first scenario that we can consider. Another scenario that we can consider is something like this, and then we break to continue down. And the entry for something like this would be either number one, as the bearish low is broken here, change the color, as the bearish low is, or the previous bullish low is broken here, or we can wait for this candle to close just for extra confirmations, which is pretty smart during a counter trend movement. And then you can look for entries as the lows are broken here to retest the bottom here. So that's another situation that we can think about. And then last but not least, we can last but not least, we can see some sort of some sort of bearish candle here. And then the next candle to break to give us that slingshot. Give us that slingshot here. Entry at the break of the high of the previous bearish. Continue into these ranges. But I would like to see this happen above this level, because above this level we have clear range to the left. I know you can't see it on this chart, but if you scroll left you can see it. So those are the three situations that we can see with a movement like this. First things first is we have to wait for price to find a level of resistance. Once a level of resistance is created, then we can start to determine, based on how price prints, where we want to go from there. So in short, we need more information. Now gold not moving as near as nice here. Previous daily candle bullish, broke the low, respected the high. This is a very weak bullish candle here though. Very weak bullish candle. We're rejecting, we're breaking the lows. Be interesting to see if we, you know, respect this level or not. Kind of in a 4-hour range here. See price is just kind of printing side by side here. Yeah, this looks a lot more choppy here on gold compared to GJ. We got a huge range to fill down here though. Yeah, so sell situation to see sells continue. We'll want to see sells below there, 1732. Yeah. For a buy situation, boom, right here. These buys above for the closure. Boom. So these are the scenarios. I definitely like GJ a lot more. What the fuck? Yeah, definitely like GJ a lot more here. Looks a lot better. A lot more volume in the markets here with GJ. Let's see. We got 19 viewers on with this live. 5 likes. Let's get these likes up. Give a like to the stream. Pay that fee. It's gonna help us find more people, so it's gonna help us hack the algorithm. So you guys liking the stream helps me grow the channel here. And if you're new to the stream, give a subscribe to the channel. We do this Monday through Friday, 6:30 a.m. Eastern time. And we run it until about 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. Looks like we're starting to get some sort of resistance here. One hour can fill the lower wick. I think you're probably talking about gold. Yeah, probably can. Yeah, probably can. The only thing you wanna be cautious about here, based on that, is that there is like a level of support here that this 1 hour candle has already rejected. So, to fill this wick here, you would need some sort of confirmations on 30-minute that that's gonna happen. So let's look at 30-minute here. Yeah, and so with how 30-minute is moving, you would probably want to see like a close below 1739, and then you would just need to determine if there's going to be enough range to trade to fill that wick. So for me currently, there's no confirmations that would play out. You can consider this 15-minute, but the way this 15-minute candle closed, it would need to respect the high here and then go break the low. And it might work, but price is a little rangy here. Not enough range to the bottom there either. It's only 15 pips. So that's another thing, is gotta determine if it's gonna be enough tradable range down there. Oh yeah, and you're saying in the last 15 minute? Yeah, I mean, in my opinion, it would need to respect this high, which it's breaking right now. So to me, it looks like it's probably just gonna push to the top of this range here, 1739.47. Yeah, I mean, for gold, I mean, this is why I put my analysis here, you know. Buys above, targets for buys, sells below, targets for sells down here. So, you know, that's basically means that I'm not looking for any trades inside of this range here. I'm actually going to mark this as a no trade range. No trade zone. Looks like we might break the highs here and give a little push, maybe to the top of the range. Not enough range here to trade, in my opinion, though. Only 7.5 pips. Not to mention, I mean, we got a lot of blue candles here. We definitely want to see some sort of red candle, so that way we can determine where is price likely to go from here. You know, are we going to see a continuation to the upside, or are we going to see price correct the move? And a lot of times when we see big moves like this during London session, the price is corrected during New York session. So it's something to anticipate. Oh, we had some GBP news. Maybe that's why we're seeing the volume in GJ and not so much in gold. We got flash services PMI, whatever this is. 9:45. FOMC meeting minutes. This is different than FOMC. Keep in mind, much different. Yeah, GJ is galloping here though.
Hello, good morning, Mike.
What's up, Harith? How you doing, man?
Oh, blessed brother. How you doing?
Good. You catch this GJ move, or were you trading gold?
You know it was gold, baby. You didn't see the group? You see the chat?
Yeah, no, I saw it. Looks like everybody freaking crushed it this morning.
Yeah, actually, I had yesterday my network was freaking bad, so I even failed to explain my swing trade I even had before I even took that swing trade.
Yeah, you took a.
If you can see in the Zoom, I sent some chats up there in the in Telegram. I have 2 chats I've put there, but they are all same setups I've taken. Did you see them?
Yeah, I think so.
One, the swing I took, it's just above those 2. Another one that I took with that one is the one I've just taken with.
Oh yeah.
We have that. So the main reason of all this is the 4 hour. I know we are bearish, so I'm always looking for continuations, but my whole idea is a fake out. I just need fake outs from the highs on the 4 hour to build a story on the 5 minutes. So all this is a 5-minute move.
Oh yeah.
So if you look at the swing trade I took, it's just the same thing that has just happened there, just above it. That one.
Oh yeah.
So look
30.
at how.
Oh yeah. So fake out, and
Yeah. Then
Then
That's
retest
a
to
retest
confirm.
of that resistance. So if you go on the 5-minute, you will see a very good entry on that. That's just a 30-minute time frame.
Yeah, this is nice, man. Is this like 90 pips?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, it took me about 83 pips, almost 90 pips. I woke up in the morning, I found my take profit hit. I was like, wow. And you know what? I didn't close out anything. I just left a full position because yesterday I was kind of pissed. I'm like, Price, why did you Price do this? I waited for all this move, like from London to wake up. Exactly.
Yeah, I saw this here. Yeah, this is good. So this was the 5-minute?
Yeah, that was the 5-minute.
Okay. Yeah, this makes sense.
Made a retest on that area I was trying to show on the 30-minute. So I had those prime entries from the 5, and then that thing just dumped all the way to my take profit. It was beautiful, actually. So waking up today, London, same thing happens again. I see price moving, I'm like, I'm just waiting for that. Then plays out the same way. Like, wow.
Took you to the promised land, man. Freaking cashed out.
You know what I'm saying? And I guess I still have a runner running right now on gold. But I don't know if it has been stopped out. I'm not sure. I've not yet checked yet. Yeah, it's still in. It's around there.
It should be up here somewhere.
Yeah, so it should be somewhere there. Yeah, still out.
Yeah, that's solid, man. That's solid. Yeah, I think if we stay below the 1739 level, I think we will continue down.
Yeah, we'll probably exactly.
So I was looking at the daily here. Like the daily it respected the high, already broke the low, but it's rejected here.
I know late in the session, if it's to go down, it will be going down late in the session.
Yeah.
I've seen.
Yeah, kind of have like this 4-hour range here, you know.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Proven to be a strong support here. 1736.
But you know what gives me hope when I look at the 4-hour that will continue down is that that previous candle closing like a rejection, strong rejection candle. If you see the wick is way stronger than the body itself.
Yeah.
So that gives me still hope that we shall still keep down. But though it may come late in the session with that new 4-hour candle that will start after NY open.
Yeah. Yeah, this rejection is good.
Magic.
What's good, Raj? How you doing, man? I already know you caught some of these moves.
The silent banner. Yeah, that guy's always there ripping them apart.
It's a sniper.
Yeah, digit dunked as well, up all the way up. Wow, it's rallying.
Yeah, I was just looking at the news. There was some GBP news here at 4:30, so maybe that's like the volume that was brought in from this. Because this is right when it started to move. Started to move right at 4 a.m.
There were good numbers as well.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah, see, this is another thing, you know, a lot of people were asking me about Thanksgiving, like if I'm going to trade during Thanksgiving, like, you know, GBP is still open, you know, Europe's still open, so
yeah,
I don't really expect like maybe there will be a little bit less market, but I mean a little bit less volume, but I mean there still should be something with GJ. Nothing, because I mean nothing's really going to change, like, you know, USD bank closure doesn't really have anything to do with pound, you know, so you know, sometimes we do see you know, lower volume when US markets are closed, but gold will probably be a little slow, but
okay.
But I don't know. I mean, we gotta.
Right?
Sorry, go ahead.
Some Thursdays. The Thanksgiving.
Yeah, I think Friday. I don't know if Friday is a bank holiday too. If they're closed, I don't think they are. Yeah, no, it's open on Friday. But yeah, Thursday, tomorrow. Yeah, rejecting this level, you know, what I'm waiting for is some sort of pullback. I'd love to see, you know, resistance formed, retrace, maybe even like confirmations to enter to correct this move. Man, that would be beautiful.
Yeah, oh, correcting the move, that would be the most beautiful thing.
Yeah, hell yeah. Arshad Khan, new subscriber. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. Hey, Psychology, what's up? What's up? How's it going?
How's the daily on the on GJ?
Bullish as hell, but we have a huge resistance right here.
Oh yeah.
And it's rejected both ways. You know, we rejected here to the upside, we rejected here to the downside, and then same type of thing here. You know, we had like a little fake out situation and then rejected hard before it came back up. So but this, yeah, this daily candle setup is beautiful, but yeah, I'm almost like, because of the daily resistance, it's also 4-hour resistance. So daily 4-hour, also, you know, pretty strong 1-hour rejection area, like once, twice. If we reject it again, this will be three pretty strong rejections here at this level. So that's another reason why I'm kind of considering, like, you know, if we can get some sort of confirmation for a retrace, I think that will probably be pretty likely. Even something like this, like this is how Raja's gold sells. Raja's gold sells this morning. It was a very similar situation. Price was rejecting a resistance level, not closing with any bottom wicks, and as soon as it broke the low, he took sells. I see things like that happen a lot too. But it's a little bit risky doing that because, you know, it's against the trend, and a good confirmation for a counter trend movement is if we can have the resistance form some sort of level of support, like a minor level of support, and then we break that support to continue down. That'll be a much stronger confirmation to catch the counter trend move. If there's nothing like that, if it's just clean bearish candles down, then I'll look for support to form to retest the highs.
Yeah, that's right.
But I've taken sells on situations like this a lot of times. If this was with the trend, an impulse sell at the break of the low would make a lot of sense. But since it's against the trend, it's a little bit risky. 26 pips stop loss or so, not bad at all. A little high, but not bad for the reward to the downside, 55 pips. But
what would be ideal on that situation right now, as I see on GJ? I would only have tight stop loss, expecting that candle not to break its own high, trying to move up, because that would be nasty. There you just trusting this candle not to make any upper wick or something like that, because if it does move up, then it's getting you out.
Yeah, the only thing that's against this is, you know, we have a pretty strong daily candle here, hourly candle here. So, you know, it does have a nice rejection from this zone, but the body of it still is pretty strong, you know. So you know, you would need the 30-minute to kind of show those confirmations for the hourly to follow suit with the rejection.
Exactly. Now the hourly is now, if you've showed me the hourly, now I feel scared about it. The hourly is telling a different story.
Yeah. But I mean, like we talked about, you know, strong resistance here on hourly, strong resistance on 4-hour, strong resistance on daily. You know, I mean, it could definitely reject here pretty hard and correct this move. But yeah, Raj says that he'll enter if the candle makes upper wick and then comes down. Yeah, I would agree with that too, because that would show that it would be almost like a retest to the upside and then come break the lows. That would probably be pretty good. And it would also give it some time for the hourly candle to you know, move a little bit time wise before it breaks, because another thing is, if it breaks right early in the hourly candle, it's a little risky. But I mean, we've already rejected, you know, two pretty strong rejection candles here, so it could just break below and continue driving.
Yeah, but that's why I was like, if you're trusting that area to hold the resistance, then you just try it. Someone could try it there when it starts taking out that support on the 15-minute.
Yeah.
But you know, you're just still early in the session, so it might be hard for you right now to have that move.
Yeah, exactly. That's another thing too, you know, no need to rush anything here. Still got a lot of time, where would be our TP if we take that sell? So overall targets would probably be down here, 168, 186 somewhere. That's where I would think would be a pretty solid target. But if you break this down on 15-minute, you do have some minor level of supports here. So, you know, if you're not going to secure at directly 10 pips, you'd want to probably start looking to secure something at this level, maybe this level. You know, like when I make these analysis here where it's like, you know, if we were to take a sell, target for sells down here, you know, the probability of price moving clean all the way down here is very low, you know, so there's probably going to be some sort of up and down to come down here. What happens to my trades about like 70% of the time is, you know, we'll break the lows, I'll take entries, targets will be down here, but I'll secure at 10 pips or so, put stops at entry, price will retrace, take me out at entry. You know, it's only during like high volume sessions where price will just move very clean down to a zone. So basically what I'm saying, psychology, is overall targets would be down here, but you would definitely, you know, want to secure something there. Secure something on the way, I mean. But psychology, just like we were talking about, you know, an upper wick here and then go break the low would be much better. We also kind of saw this happen. I think it was yesterday right here. We had this 30-minute candle close right here, the rejection candle, and I was saying, you know, if we break the lows here, we're probably going to continue bearish. But you know, obviously it didn't break the lows. We started seeing some price print side by side here on 15-minute, and what I was considering was first entry, like a dynamic risk entry. First entry as 15-minute broke the low, next entry as the 30-minute broke the low, which would be down here, and then just kind of anticipate the move to be corrected. But since we never really broke, it allowed more information to print for us. So here was like another stronger confirmation, and then I think we executed when this candle right here broke the lows. Yeah, it was 9:30 when this candle right here broke the lows, which just kind of told the story a little bit better. So basically what I'm saying is there's no need to rush this entry, because price could close bearish for us on 30-minute. That would give stronger confirmation that this could, you know, move down, rather than just taking the impulse here.
Yeah, that's right. I remember that yesterday's move.
Yeah.
And it really played out very well.
Yeah. And I'm not saying that this won't play out. You know, this will probably give 10 pips to the downside, but the risk attached to it, in my opinion, like I would want some more information here. It's early in the session.
Yikes.
I tend to lose trades early in the session too. So
yeah, you're right. As I said, you know, you better wait for better confirmations whereby you have a resistance formed.
yeah.
Next kind of take out the lows, you know, that there you have at least something to hang on with.
Yeah, what would be much better in my opinion is I drew a breakdown of it before you hopped in here, Harith, but what would be much better in my opinion would be, you know, a bearish candle to form, and then we have like a weak bullish candle, and then we can break the lows on the next candle.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
This would
So that's basically
this would be much
a
better.
break and retest as well. Break and retest, because that bullish candle is like a retest of that area, that resistance that is formed. The moment you leave that weak support, it's going.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. A retest like here, we break the lows here. And yeah, just drive down. That would be much better in my opinion to show signs of correction here. Counter trend move.
I nailed it with London as well, 40 pips on gold.
Yeah. Yeah, I saw those messages. Yeah. Good work there, Faye. Welcome.
Hi guys. Yeah,
How you doing?
I actually ended up getting 69 pips on gold.
That's amazing.
Wow, amazing, man. Amazing, good stuff.
That's amazing. Where'd you catch it from?
17. Let me see. I'll just pull up my sheet. 1741, actually. 1741.43.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I got you. Yep.
No, the first one was 1745. Yeah, 1745.
Nice.
21.
Nice. So nice.
No. Sorry, that was the other day. Today it was 1741.43.
Yeah. That's a beautiful entry here. It's kind of the same thing that we're talking about here on GJ. Strong rejection area, strong resistance. This is a resistance on the higher time frames as well. I was looking at. So similar thing. Good work. Great work.
And I'm trying to practice my two, because I did take 2 entries. Trying to practice my 2 trades, and I'm not going to do any more.
There we go.
They gave me 8% on my account, so I'm stopping.
Yeah, there you go. That's amazing. Good work. Good job. Yeah, if anything, you can just place something on your chart just like this, and that's why I have this this setting right here, paper trade. So that way, I can these stop loss and take profits are huge, but that way I can just place something on the chart to see if like a move would play out, that I was anticipating, but I don't feel the urge to execute on it.
Yeah, good idea.
London has been a blessing of late.
Might have to change up my routine over here. Yeah, see, this is what I was kind of worried about. So I think like if you did want to take like these sells from the top up here, you would really want 15 minutes to close below this zone. If it closes below this minor support, that would probably give a little bit stronger confirmation that the higher time frames are going to start following suit. But yeah, GJ is trending pretty hard right now, so it's
Plus, there's one thing that I've learned with GJ and GU is that they can travel further than your bank account can last.
Oh yeah. Absolutely. Yeah, it's gonna be patience here for a little while.
That's the advantage and the disadvantage of these volatile pairs.
Yeah, the advantage is if you're on the charts during these times, you're just like, yeah, you're cheering the whole time, When you log into the charts, you're like, oh man, what have I missed? Like shit. But I mean, the good news is with things like this is it prints like a nice range. It creates like a nice tradable range. So You know, for a while, like I was actually looking at this because when I took my entry yesterday, I was right here, caught 10 pips. We were good. We were stopped. The runners were stopped at entry, and then it literally just ranged for a long time. 9:30,
Yeah.
you know, over 10 hours, 10, 11, 12, you know, shit, almost like 20 hours, 15 hours, you know, that it just ranged here. So, you know, with these ranges like this, you can anticipate these large breakouts. And, you know, looking back at it now, we had this range. We broke out right when this news was coming out at 4 a.m., 4:30 a.m. this morning for GBP. So it kind of makes you think that maybe this range was just the anticipation of this news coming out. But yeah, at this point, I would like that entry a lot more because we went up, we created a little bit more of a wick. Now we're driving down.
Now that looks beautiful.
Yeah. Gold buy looks good on next 15-minute candle if it breaks the wick. Let's see. Yeah, I can see that if this 15-minute candle closes, you know, weak bearish like this, yeah, you can anticipate the volume to drive price up. I would agree with that. Oh, I was typing and missed GJ sell. Raj.
You would have had a very nice prime entry there. And
Yeah.
tight stops around there, and you'd be chilling, looking at how it pan out right now.
Yeah, this
No, actually, a nice stop would be on that current week.
Yeah, I agree. Especially since it's like moving into the second half of the candle now. If it goes to break its own high at the second half of the candle, you know, it's starting to look a little worse for you.
Sure. That looks beautiful now. What were the news all about on GJ?
Say that again, sorry.
What was the news all about on GJ?
Oh, it was flash manufacturing PMI, whatever that is. It says level of a diffusion index based on surveyed purchasing managers in the manufacturing industry. Released monthly. Above 50 indicates industry expansion. Below indicates contraction. So below. Oh, so it's higher than expected. So yeah, actual greater than forecast is good for the currency. So yeah.
I have a feeling like that move will be corrected.
Yeah, it doesn't seem like it's anything crazy. You know, it doesn't. You know, like PMI alone is, you know, it's kind of like the right here, FOMC meeting minutes. You know, this might drive a little volume with the USD market, but it's probably not going to be anything too crazy. Very similar situation with like these other like random, they're like red folder news events, but it's almost like a fake out news event. You know, it's like drives a little volume in the market, and then, you know, it just corrects itself because it's not that important, or it's not important for the long term.
And that's what I'm seeing right there. Maybe that could happen.
Yep, exactly.
With the daily already rejecting its own resistance that it is at right now.
Yeah, it's this is a big rejection zone. I've taken sells like this a lot of times, like even though it's against the trend, like price moving up, you know, I've taken sells like this a lot of times just because of the confirmations of the higher time frame resistances. But since it's early in the market, you know, I'd rather just wait for something else. Usually, like, I'll take entries like this in London close, something like that, because it's like coming into the end of the session, it's like I'm kind of antsy for a position, and you know, I'm willing to risk it on something like that. But since it's early in the session, I think that I can get a stronger confirmation elsewhere.
Yeah, with London close, since volume is dying off, you kind of confident that the zones won't be broken.
Yes and no. Yeah, I've seen like it's weird because like there's like a spurt of volume in GJ during London close. So Yeah, I mean, if it's like a strong resistance like this one is, you know, we had these past two rejections here. Also, it's like really strong on 4-hour and daily, you know, so if that correlated like London close, NYSE, I'll probably look for it just because, you know, it's coming into the end of the session, so willing to execute on something like that. This 15-minute no bottom wick, don't really like that.
But we have seen that a couple times right now. A lot of candles closing with no bottom wicks, but price still continues.
Yeah, sometimes that just means, you know, that there's high bearish pressure, you know, there's no bullish pressure, you know. It can mean two things. It can mean there's no range in the market to continue down, or it can mean that there's just a lot of volume in the market that it can't even create a wick. You see that a lot with like with news pushes, you know, you'll see like price just fucking gapping.
Let the 30-minute close, you'll have some nice entries with that 30-minute.
Yeah, that's actually what I'm thinking. You know, if 30-minute closes, you know, strong bearish like this, below this little 15-minute minor zone, I think I might take some sells.
Yeah.
That would also probably give some sort of break and retest on this zone on the 15-minute, kind of like what it's doing right now.
Yeah. That sounds nice.
It would be the second half of the hourly too, so it would give a little bit stronger confirmation that this hourly could close bearish. 4-hour, you know, that would be the rejection of this zone. So yeah, I mean, that could definitely play out. Could definitely play out, but this is like exactly how Raja's buys were this morning. Let me see if I can pull it up. I mean, sells on gold. Let's see if we can pull it up. Raja, come on now, this thing's getting a little lag here.
You got yourself a Windows?
Say that again?
You got yourself a Windows laptop, or like a setup?
No, I don't have one. This is a MacBook.
Oh.
Yeah, see? But see, candle close with no bottom wick here. To me, that's a little bit better than what we're seeing on our side.
So Raja
Yeah,
took that, started trading bottoms and tops as well.
Yeah. But this was that same situation that we were talking about. This was this is a 30-minute, or I mean, this is a strong resistance. This right here. See a strong resistance past rejection zone?
Yeah.
I think he took it on, yeah, it was 15-minute right here.
Yeah.
So it's kind of that same thing that we were talking about with GJ, you know, past rejection zone. You know, you can just anticipate that the time frames are going to start following suit.
His entry was earlier than mine, right?
Oh yeah, this was this 4-hour wick up here. Yeah, the entry was like 17:43:48, something like that. But I've executed positions on this setup a lot of times. Bullish candle, strong rejection, no bottom wick, sell as the low is broken. That's pretty good.
By the time I came to the charts, that move was already happening. So I just waited for a retest for that zone, so that I had to take my entries from below.
Gotcha. Yeah, he catches all the sniper entries for some reason. It's like the market makers just give him a call. They're like, hey, there's about to be a beautiful setup.
Where's Jake today?
I don't know. He's been coming in a little bit later. Like, he'll probably come in here shortly. You'll
come crying. Oh my god, I missed this.
Yeah, yeah. He's actually been timing it perfectly though. He's like coming in right as like a new setup is forming, so it's kind of funny.
As well as Sadaka today is asleep.
Say that again.
Sadakat. It's called Sadakat?
Oh yeah, yep. Yeah, I call him Sartaz, but yeah.
Yeah, and 24K, he's still camping, I guess.
No, I think he's back. He's probably just busy or something. Or he blew his account.
It's tough, man.
Have you ever seen his videos on Twitter?
Some of them actually, I have seen them.
They're fucking hilarious, man. I'll be dying.
Yeah, I've
laughing.
seen some of them. Raja retweeting them
Yeah.
about how trading is time travel, something of a sort.
Yeah, he's got some pretty funny videos.
Uh,
Yeah, man. If we can close something how it is right now, I would definitely like sells right here. Be a nice stop loss. You know, less than 20 pips. That would be really nice. This would be the hourly high too that the stop loss would be. The current candle high. Be this 15-minute candle high. I think that would be really nice. Might even consider taking like a dynamic risk entry, like half a percent as the next candle opens, depending on how this candle closes, that is. But 0.5% as the candle opens, and then another half as it breaks a low.
yeah, that sounds pretty nice as well.
But it depends on how this thing closes, because if it closes with a strong rejection, we might break the highs here and continue pushing. We got 4 minutes. 4 minutes.
You know, you might have a retracement as well, but that retracement may not be as clean as how that move happened.
Yeah, very correct. Yeah, that's why I was telling psychology here in the YouTube chat that you know, targets would be down here, but the probability of it just coming clean down here is very low.
We come with steps, creating steps. Bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish.
Yeah, probably a little bit more like this 15-minute at least.
Yeah, so if you haven't seen something like that before, you would feel embarrassed and you just want to get off the trade. At the end of the day, you ask yourself, why didn't I hold more? That's pretty nice. How the 5 minute is printing. If it can print bearish right there and continue pushing down, it'd be really nice.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, that would look really good for our 15-minute, 30-minute close too.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, what's going on here?
Raj, are you seeing anything?
I think he was gonna take those he was gonna take the GJ sells, but he missed it, so it's probably a good thing he did, Raj, because it bounced around a little bit.
You'll be having a roller coaster. Oh, still waiting as well. Okay, cool.
Oh, come on. Yep, this is looking good. Looking good.
Yeah, it's Gucci.
Man, what the hell
That
is going on?
gives hope.
Man, my freaking parallels isn't working right now though. I don't know what's going on.
Oh. So you can't use magic.
No. Oh, this is a bad time for this. Why are you doing this to me?
You better. So you can still access your MetaTrader, right?
From my phone. I can't do it on desktop.
Oh.
Yeah. I have to be a cowboy trying to trade from my phone.
Yeah, sure. So what you're going to do is just try and enter on your phone and then go to the other side of execution.
Yeah.
And put in the lot size that you want to close. By the moment it hits the amount of pips you want, you close very quick. It's just cowboy thing, you know.
Yeah, I don't know why this is Oh, no. I think I just did a bad button. Uh-oh.
There we go. The terminal is open now.
Damn, this is a pain in the ass. What is this?
Is it working?
No, and I think I accidentally just like reset it. Like reset it.
Wow, that's a nice one. That's a nice one.
Yeah.
That's nice. Raj, what do you think, man?
Oh, it's loading and it has my name on it. Oh, please don't be reset.
Sell stop on the low of that 30-minute candle, right, Raj?
Yeah, I'm gonna see if the spread will break the low here. I'm gonna take a sell. I'm gonna try and be a cowboy and execute from my phone.
Yeah, better that way.
Can't miss these moves due to
Looks nice.
due
Let me
to
try something here.
Oh, we're alive. Holy. Oh no, right as the end. Oh no. Perfect.
It's already moved?
Yeah, broke the low.
Yeah, it's already gone. I'm late. Gold is setting up very well for another push down. We're rejecting that area. My runner is still playing around on gold. 30 pips in. I'll definitely not trade anything else. I'm done. My runner is running 30 pips and I want to try GG. No, I'm not doing that. I'm not touching. Good luck to everyone trading GG.
Yeah, you're probably smart for that, for real.
Yeah, like you'll be unfair to yourself. You have a runner running 30 pips right now, and you want to try something else that will start with a negative.
Yeah, I think it should push here. It did break the low like within the first couple of minutes of the candle being open, but it's the second half of the hourly. Have a lot of things going in our favor, so that huge rejection zone.
It's actually now 40 pips. I'm running in 40 pips profit on my run.
Oh,
wow.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, when the runner is running 40 pips in profit, you had a good day.
Yeah, probably. Yeah. My swing trade from yesterday made me over 10%.
Jeez. That's amazing.
Yeah, GG is coming. GG is going to correct this move. This move is nothing.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, you have a better chance there to take that thing back down. Here he comes, Jack.
7:30.
We'll probably miss some moves, baby.
What's happening, Jake? How's it going?
Pretty good. Who are you in one?
Yeah, I just took these sells, looking to correct this move here.
Damn it, I was in a swing.
Wow. Gold GJ.
I was in a GJ short swing.
Oh, that thing is out of here now.
Yo.
Yeah, this thing made a strong push to the upside. A strong push.
I'm trying to do swings with gold actually.
Yeah, they're fun. Tricky. Helps you identify zones pretty well.
GJ needs patience right now.
It's a good idea, however, why do you call GJ it? What?
Mike, did you do that dynamic risk?
No, I just did a full percent
Oh,
normal risk. Yeah, I think it should continue, I think.
yeah,
We'll wanna
as we said earlier on, that the way it will move will be a funny way. It won't really move the way you expect it to move.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, and I mean, like, where I have my stop loss, you know, if it starts to break the high of the previous 30 minutes, obviously the trade idea is invalidated, so I don't feel any need to have to like strangle the trade.
Yeah, we have seen with that previous candle the weight pulled back, and then the end of it closed bearish. So that really tells the story of how that candle might behave as well before it really continues back down.
Yeah, this one right here, yeah, how it moved. Yeah, that's I had the same thing happen in the trade I took yesterday. It rejected pretty hard, and in the past I probably would have like closed something, but then it just moved really nice. So that's the thing, you know, I'm just trying to get into a position to where like I'm trusting my analysis, you know, like if my stop loss is in a valid area, I'm following all of my rules, you know, it should play out, and if it doesn't, it's just probability at that point, you know. And just like we were looking at earlier, Harith, the only thing that I think would have been like a better entry for here is to wait for like that bullish 30-minute candle, a weak bullish candle, like a weak support to break and then continue down. But we kind of have that we have that right here, you know, so that's
on the 15, yeah.
So that's kind of what I was looking at. 30 minutes, obviously higher confirmation, but with the time that we're in, with the move that was already made, you know, I think it should at least push down to hit the partials,
yeah,
you know.
exactly. Because you may not have that exact setup on the 30 minutes at the moment.
Exactly, yeah.
Ah.
Come on, GJ, do that dance for us. Gallop.
Yeah, one last dance, you know.
Gallop. Yeah, one last dance, no entries for Jake. One last dance.
Yeah.
Jake is looking at go right now. He's pissed off with DJ.
I'm not looking at anything. I've been pissed all week.
He just like me yesterday. Gold did something dangerous to me yesterday, but you know, I was patient enough. It finally paid me out.
Yeah, like they say, patience pays, right?
Yo. The one thing he did is just made me wake up very early and wait for those setups, but end of the day the setup comes with NYSE. And what I did is also to swing trade it.
Yeah.
To pay me back everything. Jake, any ideas?
I'm looking. I just started looking.
All right, now we need a nice 15-minute close in the other direction.
Yeah.
It's rejecting on us a little bit.
But the good thing, I would probably want that week to be respected of that previous candle.
Yeah, oh yeah,
on the
for
15
sure.
minute,
Yeah.
to be a little bit safe.
Yep. If that one gets if that gets tapped, I'd probably close it.
So you're in as well?
No, I'm not in. I think I'm done for the week.
Wow, that's great. My take profit on gold for my runner is at 17.15.58, around those areas. I'm being so optimistic with gold.
Oh, 17-15. Holy.
All the way down.
Oh yeah,
Look
down
at
here.
the left hand
Yeah.
side, like something. Yeah.
Yeah.
If it breaks that low, I can see it. Daily looks nice.
Yeah. 15-minute didn't close too nice.
But you know, the 30 minute can give you that volume to keep on pushing down. You still have the 30 minute to play with at that point. The good thing is that we've respected the previous high of that bullish candle there and taken another low. So trust the 30 minute at that point.
Yeah. Yeah, and I mean, like we talked about, you know, with where the stops are, you know, it's pretty conservative. Yeah, we'll definitely want it to push before this 30-minute candle closes, though.
Yeah.
Saksham, are you in? Yes, I'm in. Yes.
No, gold is really moving well. I'm approaching 50 pips right now. Beautiful. It's already 50 pips. Wow.
Yeah, it's moving pretty nice. Yeah, rejected this area nice. Close.
Yeah, you see that area you were talking about? And now here you go. You could have had your trade there right now and you'd be smiling. Now you're stuck with your GJ.
Yeah, yeah, I know. This thing needs a drop for me.
GJ is trying to play with your emotions right now. It will definitely move, but I have to be strong with that drawdown there.
Yeah, I've had a lot of situations like this happen where, you know, it'll play around and then it'll play out. So we'll see. We'll see.
Stops of entry on my trade.
Say that again.
I'm putting my stops at entry on my trade. You know, it was a little bit like a pip above the entry, so now it stops inside my profits now on gold, like 10 pips.
Oh yeah, good work. Good work. Yeah, this is not looking too promising here on GJ. Oh yeah. Could be like a retest of this area. Continue. We're gonna put the trust into these 30-minute candles here.
Yeah, that's where game changer is. That's starting at right now. That 15-minute will play around with your feelings.
Yeah, it's like the 5-minute. Oh, you guys couldn't hear my jams.
Ugh, it's probably a good thing. Just be like Wix 9, just play rap.
Yeah, yeah.
Trying to do some good old-fashioned revenge trading.
Yeah, sometimes you gotta do it.
Yep.
Sometimes you gotta do it, lose a little bit more.
Yep. It's not enough.
Compound the losses.
Yeah, I've been feeling pretty disconnected from the charts this week.
I'm feeling one with the
Definitely.
charts. One with the charts.
Nah, not me.
Except right now, Jude doesn't really like me here. It's not really approving of my decision. In 30-minute candles we trust.
Yep.
I just draw this zone here a little bit better so that way it tells the 15 minute to just reject it like it's doing right now. Let's see, that's right, 15 minute. Yeah.
Yeah, let's see.
I'm not gonna lie, I've had this happen a lot where, you know, price like will sit in, you know, it'll reject a little bit for my entry, you know, play with my emotions a little bit, and I'll close out partials, and then that bitch will just whack-ow straight to the zone, and I'm just like, ah, dang. Just like, dang, man, should have trusted my stop loss.
Well, let's see if this is one of those times.
Yeah, let's see. It's like I've looked at all my losses like this month. It's happened one time where it would have hit my stop loss. One time. But I think I've only taken like 5 losses this month or so, I think. Maybe more. I think I only took like 18 trades or something so far this month.
Is that a lot for you?
No, I don't think so. It's the 23rd of the month, so no. I usually like try to take a trade every day, you know, like even if like, you know, a setup is kind of like low probability, you know, I'm not feeling like the best, like I try to like execute, you know. I feel like you learn the most from executing. But
Yeah, me too.
I feel
That's
like
kind of what my weakness has been this month.
yeah, I feel like pretty much every day I'm able to find something to execute on. So usually just the one. I took one Asian session trade this month and lost it, and I was like, fuck that, I'm not taking it anymore. It's like I hate Asian session.
Yeah.
It's not bad on GJ. Usually GJ it'll give some decent moves, but gold I feel like it's like a little suspect. Yeah, see,
Share.
these aren't the fun trades right here. The fun trades are when they just freaking, you know, you enter and within 5 minutes you're already secured partials.
Well, then just set your levels and minimize it, and we can talk about like something else.
No, it's already set. Yeah, I don't even have my terminal open.
Good.
So we're fully trusting candles at this point. Oh, we're frozen. Yeah, see, I'm kind of expecting like gold volume to start dying out, honestly, for the week. I'll be surprised if we see like nice gold moves tomorrow. I'll be real surprised. Tomorrow, what's tomorrow? Thursday? Yeah, tomorrow's Thanksgiving.
What?
Tomorrow? Thanksgiving?
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. I didn't even know it was Thanksgiving until like 4 days ago.
Oh man. Need that nice 30-minute candle close. Gold ain't doing nothing. Stuck in a little range. Yeah, you doing anything for Thanksgiving, Jake? You got family by you?
Yep, going to my cousin's house. Yeah, all my family's in like right by me, kind of. Then my dad's side is in Texas, but yeah, we got my sister, her husband just bought my parents' house in like Peachtree Corners. You know where that is?
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, so they bought their house in there, so they just moved in. They, you know, got like a little baby, and then so we're all going to my cousin's, also in Peachtree Corners. And my parents live out on a farm down by Madison.
That's dope. Yeah, my dad lives on a farm in Michigan.
Yeah, I like the farm life.
Yeah, me too, honestly. Like when growing up, you know, I'd be out there, I'd always wish like I had friends around and shit, but now that I've gotten older, I'm like, damn, I see why my dad loves this. You know, he's got like 10 acres, you know.
Yeah, so we have
It's nice. 4-wheelers
10
and
acres,
shit.
couple horses,
Oh, that's
5 dirt
cool.
bikes. Like, yeah, I'm trying to build a track in the woods.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Just wham it.
Hell yeah. Oh, that's not too bad of a close. Would have really liked to see this play out before this candle opened, but based on this 15-minute, this looks pretty solid. 30-minute, making lower lows, lower highs, hourly close bearish. Not very strong bearish, but strong rejection previously.
I like it on the 5-minute. It shows pretty good structure. Bearish.
Yeah, same
So,
here with this 15-minute. Looks really nice too.
Yeah, I broke the little micro supports twice and then formed a double top.
Yeah, I was looking at this earlier, right about here. Yep. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. I mean, my stops are above the hourly candle, so I mean, I'm really comfortable with just trusting that this stop won't get hit, and whatever drawdown is incurred is okay. So at this point, 4 hours rejected really strong too, so it's either going to make a push to fill this wick in the last hour, or it's going to continue to reject and push down, which based on this rejection from this zone in the past, I have a feeling that we're going to reject. It's also a really, really large daily resistance. So even though the higher time frames are bullish, they're at like a nice rejection zone. So yeah, we shall see. We shall see.
Yeah, should be alright.
Volume is coming. I'll hold it until comics. That's what Raj says. Raj, I like your idea. I'm gonna hold that bitch until either my partials are secured or my stop loss is hit. That's how we rocking it. Gold still just doing nothing for us. Moving through this range pretty nice though, honestly. But
Yeah, it is.
this hourly candle that rejected the support is like what would make me a little cautious. Also not really enough range to trade there.
Hey, Mike, you're still positive on your trade?
Yeah, I'm still in here. In candles we trust.
Yeah, you see now? You see how they're printing? They're printing really nice.
Yeah, I think so. And I mean, at this point, hourly closed bearish, and my stops are above the hourly high, so the previous hourly high. So, yeah, I'm pretty confident in the position itself. Might have some sort of pullback since it's hourly open, but with the lower time frame structure, Jake also pointed out the 5-minute here too. So looks pretty solid. Got some volume coming in, like Raj said. Volume coming in 820, 830. So we'll see. We'll see. The levels are set. We just sit and wait for something to play out.
Yep. Getting some work done. We're bidding on the auction this month for foreclosures.
Are they starting to increase? Are you seeing a lot of foreclosures?
Pretty typical.
Nothing
I don't think
abnormal.
that'll happen until probably like beginning mid next year when these rates start doing a number on people.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, I'm like I want to buy a house, but obviously not right now. But that's kind of what I'm like expecting, is the market to drop, people to kind of get in these bad positions, and I'll try and scoop something up.
Yeah, it's kind of what my plan too. I mean, put it this way, we haven't bought a house in probably like 2 months. And we would buy like 10 a month before that.
No shit. Do you guys always go for
pretty conservative?
Yeah, do you guys always go for foreclosures, or do you just do fix and flips in general?
We have a lot of wholesalers that I'm like connected with that send me deals. So it's about 50. It's probably more so wholesalers, but the foreclosures that we do get just have like crazy margins.
Yeah. Do you know Jordan Dooley?
I don't think so. Is he related to Vince Dooley or something?
No, I don't know. He might be. I don't know. But Jordan Dooley is Instagram is, I think Instagram and Twitter both are like Agent Dooley, but he's like pretty big into real estate. He's like probably our age. But yeah, he crushes it.
Yeah. I'm not on Instagram, so I don't really know those type of guys.
Yeah, he's I actually think he's he's bigger on Twitter. Let me try and find he might just be Jordan Dooley on Twitter. I can't remember.
Is he an agent, or does he actually flip?
No, he flips. He does like some wholesale stuff too.
Is he in Atlanta?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
His Twitter is @DooleyAgent.
Huh. Do you know if he buys or
Does both.
sells?
Does
he do the wholesale? Is he a wholesaler?
Yeah, he'll do both. Like I've seen him do a couple of fix and flips. Yeah, like his pinned tweet on Twitter is like a rehab that he did. But I want to say like the most recent stuff that I've been seeing him post is more like kind of like some wholesaler type shit.
Yeah, maybe I can get in contact with him.
Yeah, he's a pretty cool dude. Like he's not like you gotta pay me to ask me questions. He's not like that. Like he's a cool guy. I just met him through Instagram and got on a call with him once. We talked for like fucking over an hour. And I was just like picking his brain about different real estate stuff. He was also like, he's also into like e-com and stuff.
Well, if you talk to him again, tell him you have an investor.
Yeah, he's a cool guy. I linked up with him one time when I was out there in Atlanta too. The old ATL. Nice. Yeah, so we have 15-minute broke the low. We get this 30-minute break the low. That's gonna look really nice. That's also gonna be the hourly breaking the low. That's gonna look really nice. And yeah. So it's following suit, it seems to be. Needs to happen sooner than later before we get too many bearish candles though. Minute support that is kind of rejecting. Yeah. Gold rejecting this support. Got some more volume coming in like 10 minutes. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, these types of trades suck.
Yeah, I've been really frustrated.
Or it moves slow like this. Moving slow like this is ass. Not looking great here, not looking great.
Let's see. If it respects that high.
Yeah, it's like rejecting this.
Yeah, I'm to the point where like I don't really see the candle bodies. I just see the highs and lows.
Yeah, I see a lot of people that even do like same color charts and shit.
Yeah, I do that.
Like same,
not currently, but
yeah, I like that because it doesn't get you all fucked up with how like candles are. You know, you're only focused on is it creating higher highs or higher lows, you know, or lower lows or lower highs, you know.
Yeah, and in terms of the actual candle and the entries, it's like, who cares what it's doing right now? Is you're only really interested if it breaks that previous high or the current low.
Yep.
If it hasn't done that, then it's not doing anything, so you don't have to worry about it.
Yep. Correct. So I set them levels, sit back and relax.
Yeah, today not having any easy trade on GJ.
Yeah.
Probably gonna hold that for an hour.
Shit, it's already been long enough. 30. This will be 45 minutes.
You know, we spoke about this, you know, already.
Yep.
That move down won't be an easy one, and that's already showing.
Yeah, and this is also kind of showing us what I was talking about earlier with like that weak level of support to continue the move down. You know, typically you see a lot of things like that, NYSE open, stuff like that.
As long as we respect the highs, we're good.
Yep. Yeah, that's what Jake was saying. Respect them highs. Create lower lows. All good.
Play is signing out.
Oh, Faye, have a good one.
You're probably swing trading today.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, we're currently swing trading, that is for sure.
The 15 minute is about to close.
Oh, and it's pushed up on us there too. Oh, ooh, doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. Yeah, see, it doesn't look good because it created this bottom wick here and then started to push up too.
Now hold on. See what it does here.
It's pushing. Yeah, Raj, exactly.
Yeah, it is pushing a bit.
Last minute's ruined the structure.
And your stop loss is still valid, so it's kind of up to you.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You know, it's pretty secure up here above the hourly. I mean, if this breaks, it's definitely invalid, you know, definitely.
Probably take off 50%.
Yeah. Yeah. Sheesh.
I mean, I wouldn't go ahead and take off 90, but definitely continuing that bullish move.
Yeah, with this comic thing coming in.
Yeah, curious to see what it does right here at this level. If it's going to reject or not. If it breaks the hourly high, it's definitely invalidated. This 30-minute candle high. Yeah, yep, there it goes. Long gone.
Yeah. Pull that.
Yeah,
Out of
see,
the game, mate.
yeah, that's the thing, you know, like I was looking at this. Once it did this and it started to break its own highs here, I was just like, man, you know, that's a strong retest right there. And it's also a 15-minute zone. The trend is your friend, and that was not a with the trend trade.
What is gold doing right now?
Looks like based on the
Nothing.
price here, nothing.
Maybe
Yeah.
you could have a nice trade gold.
Say what?
Gold.
Yeah, nothing. Still just in this range.
Nothing.
Yeah, this unfortunate right here. This unfortunate right here. Yeah, I'm like almost at the point where like if the 30-minute candle doesn't hit my target, I'm just gonna close the trade, because it's like one of those situations where like I've noticed like the easy like profitable setup trades, it's within a single 30-minute candle, you know. Like yesterday, the move happened within a single 30-minute candle right here. Nice push, was able to secure, all good.
Yeah, I mean, I get it, but I also kind of disagree, because if you picked out this structure, then like you found that structure for a reason. So I think it should be valid as long as it respects all your levels. The volume is just with timing.
Yeah, 100%.
But yeah, I would say if it's been like an hour and you're still holding on to it, or even just like, you know, 30 minutes, but not necessarily the same candle as your entry.
Yeah, it's just what I've seen from like the profitable trades. Most of them, you know, and basically it just correlates to the volume, you know, like if you caught the volume candle or not.
Yeah, that's tough.
Yeah, like yesterday it was like perfect aligned with the volume candle right here. Like this is where I took the sells right here. But to your point, it's like, how do you know that this candle is going to be the volume candle? You know, it is the NYSE open, but the other volume time that we look at is 8:30 and we didn't see shit, you know. The other one is 8, which that one was a volume candle.
Yeah, because then on top of having to be right about market structure, you have to also be right about the exact volume timing.
Yeah.
Which would be another level.
Yep, this was one of them things, but yeah, no, I mean, I honestly should have just stuck to my plan as far as what I was originally saying, because this is a counter trend move, so you know I should have been waiting for like a weak support, a minor support to form. So like, you know, we like something like you know, just a candle like this, a weak bullish candle, and then for sells, you know, it would have to break this, you know. This would be the valid setup. This minor support formed, and then we're breaking that support. If that doesn't happen, it's not a valid counter trend setup.
Yeah, definitely. So you might have been trying to like time the top there.
Exactly, yeah. Yep. But I was just kind of looking at that just based on this though. What it was doing here, you know, like once it like rejected this zone, you know, that's what I was like anticipating, is like, okay, cool, this is our weak level of support. You know, we might not see it on 30-minute, but we might see it on 15-minute, you know. So maybe that's what I need to do, is just trust 30-minute candles a little bit more, as it's a higher confirmation time frame.
Yeah.
All good, all good, all good.
It's at a 4-hour level though.
Yeah, and that's kind of like where the story started, was just looking at daily. I mean, it was strong bullish, but you know, past rejection area, 4-hour past rejection area, hour, coming into it, you know, 30 minutes, same type of thing. Like we had rejected this area on 30 minutes 2 times, pretty strong. So yeah, I mean, it made sense. And then plus, like with that news that came in to cause the initial push, just overall anticipating a correction. But
Have you thought about expanding to 2 trades a day?
yes and no. I just like hate the thought of like compounding a loss. Like when I take a loss, I'm really never really too pissed about it, you know. I'm just like whatever. But taking 2 losses, like, just, I don't know, it doesn't feel right.
How about 2 0.5% trades?
Yeah, I think something like that would probably be better. Like it's more of like a risk standpoint. Yeah,
I
something.
think sometimes if you take an early entry, I've seen a lot of times you take an early entry and then you see a nice setup an hour later, but you like can't enter it based on your rules.
Yep, exactly. Yeah, and honestly, like I like that a lot, because it like kind of forces me to just be like, nah, look for the best move, you know. And so like even like with this, you know, the best move in my opinion would have been what I drew out, you know, that weak bullish candle and then the bearish going down. Because like with this, how it's printing now, this is just like a perfect like MP special, you know, like I talk about.
Yeah.
Like we created a session high, we formed a level of resistance, came down, formed support, and just went to retest the highs.
Yeah, I'm kind of thinking 2 0.5% for me. Also, if you do take a loss and then you're just not feeling it, then that loss is only 0.5%.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, to be honest, I definitely thought it was gonna correct the move, but I think it's you know, like what I should have waited for was just something like this 15-minute structure here to form on 30-minute. Something like this formed on 30-minute would be much better. You would know like, okay, cool, you know, it's really respecting these levels. The hourly here is like weak close. All good though, it's all good. Live and learn.
Yep.
But I think it just kind of it starts with like that counter trend situation.
Would you say this month, would you say you're around 5%?
I'm not too sure. Let's see if I can see.
That's kind of that's like my goal every month.
Yeah, that's pretty solid. Yeah, 5%. Let's see.
You can get 5% every single month. It's pretty good.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, 5% compounds.
Or even if you're just on a funded, from like a 200K funded account.
Yeah. Yep, absolutely.
And you just stop after 5, so you could hit it. You could take all month trying to hit it, or hit it in the first week and take the month off.
Yeah.
I think that's kind of more so why I like that number. 'Cause if it's attainable to hit like early in the month.
Yep.
But also, like, you know, if you need all month, then have a good chance of hitting it. Get your time back. A lot of expensive houses up for foreclosure this month.
Oh yeah.
Yep, a lot of mansions. Maybe we can get a mansion for 400K.
Yeah, it has been a little choppy for me this month. I've taken I can't figure out the percentage off the top of my head here, but
I'm probably negative if it helps you.
Yeah, no, I mean
I
I'm
haven't
probably
looked at all.
floating right around it, honestly. Like it's I've taken 19 trades with this one today. Profits, what, 10 trades that I profited. Eight that were losses and 1 break even. Yeah, so it's been a little rough for me here. Oh, look at gold. Gold's melting.
Holy, what's going on with gold? Let me check my position. Not even check it on here.
I don't know what you said, Harith, but yeah, that runner was in mad profits a second ago. Hi folks, hope you're doing great. Gold doing gold, but I see you guys focus on GJ today. Yeah, I mean the range here on gold just wasn't really tradable in my opinion. Yeah, I took an L here on GJ. Going against the MP special. I'm wondering how low it can go for gold. I mean, I think with a break and close below 1732, I think it could go pretty low. 1715 or so. Probably not going to do that all in one move though, but yeah. Yeah, that was some big volume though out of nowhere. That's kind of weird. First like minute of the candle. Yeah, it's been a little rough over here, a little rough.
Gold is moving insane, brother.
Yeah, damn. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do some thinking the rest of this year. Need to do some meditation or something.
Get it right, get it right.
Maybe I should stop swinging.
Gold was 35 pips away from my take profit and just went back up, straight rejection.
At least you put your stops at break even. Right.
Yeah, my stops at break even. Oh, I didn't know I would have closed out if I was on the charts.
Yeah, but you set those stops at break even once you were like 50 pips in though, right?
Yeah, sure. No, I'm not trading them into profit, like 10 pip profits right now.
Mm.
This move happened when I was off. I didn't see this happen. Wow, that's nice. This is a Lambo move. Probably would have secured the Lambo. Holy. You know what?
Mm.
Dang. That thing is moving crazy.
Yeah, that's a very strong rejection. Holy shit. You know what? This thing went 140 pips in profit from my entry.
Sheesh.
Oh shit. And now you know where it is?
Break
It's
even.
back at
That's that. I mean, that right there, going back to what you just said about swinging.
My stop loss. I like 10 pips in profit. Right now it's playing at around 40 pips. It's back at 40 pips right now as I speak.
Yeah, like you were saying, Jake, about swings. That right there is why I don't like swinging. You be in 100 pips in profit, and then look at the chart a minute later, and you're like, oh fuck.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think that thing will come back right now. Holy shit. It's crazy. Trying to look at it and I'm trying to explain to myself.
I like swings. It's just tricky. I think it's cool to have something in the background, just like big positions that you'll take like a couple a week.
Okay, this area is being hot.
Holy
Wow.
shit.
I was a bit greedy anyway. That's the problem.
Yeah, trying to go to 17-15.
Yeah, Harith, you gotta look left. Tapped into that zone.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Perfectly.
looking at the 4 hour, that zone there. Oh, I just ignored that because I thought volume would do something great. But man.
Yeah, but if it got to there, then that means it definitely had volume to get there. That's the volume. That's the volume you're talking about.
Yeah. I wanted that volume like to push all the way through that area there. And it is what it is.
Yeah, probably a lot to ask for volume to go to there
Yeah.
and then push
and,
through it.
And it's the same zone on the daily, so I was very greedy. So optimistic of this move. Oh my.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's good. I secured 90% or 95%, just like 5% of my initial position running right now. And it's okay because yesterday I had a swing that played out, I had nice returns, and here today as well. So
Yeah, just based
But
those
I'm still-
TPs off of 4-hour levels. The first one that you see.
yeah, but I'm still pretty sure to come back because of the way how the daily is trying to react of those areas. Probably close bearish. I'll just leave it to go anyway. Come what may. I'm not closing out anything. The 15-minute looks scary when you look at it. Yeah, that's gold, you know. That's the beauty of gold. People have just had 5-minute trades and they're out. 1-minute trades, they are done for the day.
Yeah, that thing moved, man. I don't think there was any news, so I'm not really sure why that happened. Yeah, I don't know. I'm confused about that.
Manipulation.
Yeah.
People are looking for better prices to kickstart their day.
Christine, it was the unemployment claims.
Really?
I don't. Oh yeah.
What are the numbers?
That's usually not anything too serious. That's weird. Oh yeah. Yeah, that makes sense though, because it's like
Is
not
it bad?
Yeah,
What are the numbers?
Something.
240.
240.
Oh shit.
Shit.
It's really I mean, it makes sense though, because it just like gave a spike, you know, it gave like a spike and then, you know, kind of pushed back. So it makes it makes some sense, because if this was like really, really big news, it would just push, you know, it'd push like 100 pips. And Harith would be really happy right now.
No, I still think it to push down. That's just a news candle playing around with us.
What's your spread on Dominion GJ right now? Over 2 pips, mainly.
Yeah, it's like 2 pips.
I don't like that.
Yeah, for me, I feel like it's usually always like 1 to 2 pips.
Fuck, man, where's my... Oh, there it is.
Yeah, I didn't think that would happen with unemployment.
Oh, the trend looks good. Still good to go down. Look at the 1 minute for a second.
Oh, I don't even have that on here.
You don't have it there. Oh,
The 1 minute's terrible.
Look at it there. You kind of see those setups on the higher time frames when it comes to the 1 minute, like where it rejected from.
I don't think the lower time frames, like 1 minutes, I don't think they're terrible. Well, like 1 minute, yeah, I would say the 1 minute's terrible. But like, as long as you
Yeah,
can,
the 5.
it's just another story, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, true.
I mean, I don't use it as like, alright, this 1 minute broke the other 1 minute low. That's an entry.
Nah,
You use it as like, it's at a level. It's at like a 30-minute level. And then like this current 15-minute, if you look on the 1 minute, like within that 15-minute, it created like perfect patterns on the 1 minute, you know?
That's how we use the 1 minute on zones. Actually, you get those prime entries if you really look. If you
Yeah,
really
because
want
you can
them
see,
entries.
like like you can see little double tops happen on those time frames, where it might just be like a wick on a 15-minute.
That's why I got my confirmations. Like, let me just hold my trade. I saw the way that it's rejecting that area. I'm like, okay, we're good to push back down. And now you can see.
I will say, when I used to do that more, I used the 3 minute, just in between the 1 and the 5. I found that to be like pretty good. Like, look for actual patterns.
Yeah, now 60 pips. I'm back to 60 pips now. From over 200 pips something to 60 pips. Not bad. Let's go. That's a nice 5-minute close.
Yeah, to be
Mike?
What's up?
100 pips incoming. 100 pips incoming, brother.
Hell yeah.
Are y'all in one?
I'm not in anything.
This one was a trade from London. Just a swing from London to there as well.
Yeah, Harith's holding a trade from up here somewhere. Somewhere up
Yeah,
here.
right over there. Yeah. On the 5 minutes, it's very clear if you look at the 5 minute.
Yeah, to be transparent.
Yeah, you see those
I'm
areas?
also in one.
Yeah, I'm right there. There on those, after that, the break of those, you see those two bullish candles? In a bearish, that was like a retest. Yeah, a retest of that zone I had marked off. Then
Yeah.
dumping from there.
Yeah, that's pretty
That's
good.
where I am. See it around there.
Yeah, that's pretty good. 1337 was good.
I need a little push.
A little push. Jake, are you in?
Yeah, I'm in a GJ sell.
Oh, okay.
I'm just on my personal account though.
Cowboy account?
Semi. I don't think this is a cowboy trade, but it's definitely not typical rules.
Looks like a nice fake out here on the 15-minute.
Yeah, I went back to my 3 minute strategy.
Yeah, looks pretty solid for that.
Just targeting that zone that you marked up.
Yeah, looks like a nice little fake out there. Nice little fake out.
I'm in at 168.904.
Now it's gonna reject this zone again and then just come crashing down after it freaking dicked me around and went and hit my stop loss.
Yep. Yeah, this spread though, it's like almost 2.5 pips at times. Oh, come on, I need one more push. See, like I'm up 5 pips, but I'm up like $3.50. Big moves.
The next 4 hours is going to be interesting on gold. Trust me.
Mike, are you in this? Are you, or this is the same one from earlier? No, I'm not in this. I'm not in this. Jake's in this. This is from earlier. But as you can see, we are no longer in this trade. Yeah, that was this one, you know, like just I was just like filling out my trade journal or whatever for this. And you know, just made me realize that this wasn't even like a valid trade in my trading plan, really. You know, like I really only want to look for like MP special setups where it's like a breakout and then a retest and then a retest of the highs created, or slingshots which happen in the same situation, just more so based off of this setup, the hourly, how that's printing, or the counter trend move, which is still a slingshot, you know. So yeah, I shouldn't have taken this here. I shouldn't have.
Yeah, excuse my language, but kind of looks like you did an ICT trade right there.
Yeah, that is very true. That hurts my feelings. I might quit trading.
Did a little order block tap in trade.
Yeah, I mean that's kind of like what I put in my journal here, is just like, you know, Should have waited for a 30-minute to find support and then break the support to confirm the correction. This must happen in counter trend situations. A simple bearish candle at a resistance is not good for sells in a bullish trend. A slingshot to the downside must happen. So that's where I fucked up. I think Harith, you said it, you know, like kind of anticipated the high here instead of confirming that it was the high.
Yeah. But I'm still pretty confident with GJ going back down. I don't see it going further up from that point there.
Nah, I think I agree.
It would still be risky to take buys from that point, you know.
Yeah, I agree. For buys, it's got to come above 169.040 because we got some resistances over here. Yeah, it's all good though. You know, with everything, there's always a lesson learned with everything.
Yeah.
The faster we learn these lessons, the faster we move through them. But it's funny because in my trading plan, I have it, like, it's been written in there for a while, like, only execute slingshots and MP specials.
Like for me as well, I do these break and retests. I'm pretty confident with those kind of trades, and if you look at all the trades I've been taking since yesterday, and the ones that have been winners have always been those trades that are break and retests.
Yep, I agree.
Probably looking for that kind of fake out. Like basically, the whole story is built with the trend. I follow the trend and I go to the 4 hour to see what the 4 hour is really telling. So I build the story from the 4 hour daily, then come to the 1 hour, and probably find those entries, those prime entries with the 5 minute, because that 5 minute plays out very well when I'm looking for those break and retests or fake outs from the highs. Then for instance, the one I took, like a resistance, we broke a resistance, a breakout candle. Most people could take buys from there. I know most people will find buys because they have that breakout candle closing above resistance, and then they want another candle to wick down and break the highs and go for it. For me, I'm seeing other ways. If that trade seems like a retracement, I know most times there are always retracements, and I want that retracement to come up and then create like kind of a fake out to continue with the push down. So most people are caught up with those retracements whereby they break resistance and then like they want to create a lower wick and go for more bullish runs, but they forget that they are trading against the trend.
Yeah.
End of the day, you get caught. So for me, at that point, those are the kind of trades I want. Like it going bullish, breaking out from a resistance, and then retest of that resistance once more, then continue back down. That's why like I find my prime entries based off the 5 minute, and then have all these trades going for me. But the moment I go against that, like I go with these impulsive trades, that's when everything goes sideways.
No, I agree for sure, man. Like 100%. Like that's why I have it broken down in my plan, you know, like just look for these certain things, because that's the thing. If you're only executing, like Elise was saying this like last week, if you're only executing like setups that you're 100% confident in, then you know your win rate just goes so much higher, your confidence level is so much higher, because you're only waiting for a certain thing to happen in the markets. If it happens, amazing, you know when to execute. If it doesn't, then you don't execute. You know, it's very simple. But no, I agree.
Yeah, my problem with that is if you're really picky, like you could go a week and only trade like twice.
Very true.
Yeah, that can happen as well. Yeah.
And then that just kind of messes up your like your long-term vision, and you don't know, like, as if you lose both of them, then it's like, all right, well, I lost every trade this week.
Yeah.
And you need more time to even it out. Then like several months go by and you're only floating up like a few percentage points.
Yep.
So it's a fine line between like quality and quantity. But I think quantity is important, but it can't be like just for the hell of it.
Yeah, exactly. Like taking it just to take it.
But yeah,
So
like you
you see
gotta get
that's-
those numbers up, otherwise you can't see your, like nothing will really play out.
And that setup we are creating on GG is a very nice setup. I've traded that on gold. Like the way price comes, comes down, creates those two bearish candles, then that strong bullish candle comes up, and then the next candle just drives all the way and breaks the low of that bullish candle. It just goes straight all the way down.
I was real close to partial. Come on, one more push. Nine o'clock.
Here we go. New candle is about to open in about a minute.
Speak my success, Harith. No, it's rejecting.
Yeah, it looks pretty solid, Jake. I mean, 15-minute close, 15 and 30-minute close, pretty good. I have a really hard time like trusting the fact that we can continue pushing at this point because of this resistance right here.
I like that resistance.
Yeah, like if it was
Yeah, there we go.
if it was a
I
little,
like those little pauses.
yeah, if this was clean traffic to the left, like this would be like a good slingshot setup to continue bullish. But I mean, the way I look at this is rejection, closing below resistance, and then we look at lower time frames, close bearish here. If it breaks a low, it's going to start creating lower lows and lower highs, which it's already done on 15 minutes. So yeah, it would just kind of be like trusting the fact that like the 30 minutes going to follow suit.
Yeah, just trusting the double top basically
Yeah.
after an extended push
And that
4-hour level.
yeah, and that 4-hour closed below the past resistance.
Yeah, I think the story's there.
Yep. I agree. I think this is pretty solid.
The story on gold is kind of the opposite right now.
Yeah, this thing looks like it's gonna start retracing.
Yeah, I don't like GJ support is getting stronger.
Yeah. Yeah, it's also like right at the open. 15
Yeah, I like
minutes.
a little bit of like a support because those tend to get broken because people pull out of their orders, but this one's getting kind of strong.
Yeah. Yeah, I've actually taken a lot of buy entries like this. Like if this was like happening at a like level of support resistance, this would be really good for buys. But the problem is you're buying into a resistance that's already been rejected multiple times.
It doesn't look good for both of us right now. Jack, you out?
I'm at break even right now. Now I am slightly down.
Oh.
GJ just does not want to go down.
Nah, I don't think so.
Damn. Yeah, I
Oh.
closed 80%.
The boy is galloping here.
Yeah, your markets have just been draining.
Yep. Yeah, they've been a little rough. They've been a little choppy.
I've been getting beat up.
Yeah, I just got to I gotta stick to my rules a little bit more. All of my losses, it's not aligned with like my plan, Like this, like I explained already 1,000 times. Should have really waited for a minor support to form on a 30-minute before expecting that we could continue down. And I ain't do that. I try to be a superhero, flex my freaking wick entry on Instagram.
Yep.
Mike, come on.
They caught me slipping, man. They caught me slipping.
That's the market. That's the market behavior, Today it's here, tomorrow it won't be that day.
Yep.
Mike, man. You want to flex your weekend on IG.
People that do flex those have had a lot of losses behind those wins.
Yeah, I know. That's why I said that very sarcastically.
Yeah, that's the fact. Those weak entries that I just got that top week with a 1 pip stop loss, that comes with like 5 losses back end of it.
Yeah, and they don't post those ones because it's bad for their marketing.
They won't post anything about the losses. They want that. It just made my day.
Oh, dang, Jake.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Oh wow.
That hurts me to see this happen right now. That hurts me.
Yeah, my runner's still in it.
Oh, you still got some? Alright.
15 pips. but it's not much. So
Yeah, that hurts, man. That right there is like why I've like just gotten to the point where I'm like I'm accepting full stop loss or partial take profits, you know, just because I got sick and tired of this happening right here. Because
Yeah.
Except that support is stunking down.
yeah, this is like if this doesn't continue to drop, I will die. If this goes back up somehow, this is the third time it's rejected it recently, and not to mention we have all the past like rejections of this zone. Yeah, this will be pretty impressive if it doesn't fucking continue down here.
Yeah, I'm just gonna close it out while it's down
Just
here.
leave a runner.
It's such a small runner already. I'm just gonna close it out at 20 pips.
Oh.
Yeah, that's solid. Raj, come on, man, you're human. Holy, it shows. Oh, we got Harith on the broadband again.
That's not broad, that's dial-up.
Up.
Harith, I'm getting you internet for Christmas. What do you want, a mobile hotspot or something?
Give me the internet for Christmas.
Yeah, Raj has confessed he's human. He says that today's the worst day. Entered
He
into
lost
sell,
one.
stopped me, and now going down.
He's like, I lost one.
I lost 1 and 1-9 today. Today's the worst day of my life.
Raj, get on the stream. We could use your input. We could use your high win rate vision.
Like, I've seen this before actually. Even gold, the same setup playing out there.
Yeah, if it starts to reject here on gold, it's gonna be a strong level of resistance. Man, I can't believe this GJ though, man. Wow, just really played with a lot of people's hearts.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we took some notes here, took some lessons here from the day. Oh. By the way, Mike, thanks for the follow on IG. Yes, sir. Looking forward to Aruba. Yes, sir. Despite all analysis, the market went bonkers when we thought nothing was happening. No one could have really anticipated these moves. I knew everything was happening here. I knew all of these were going to happen this way. Just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. Yeah, no, I mean, it did go a little wild, but yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, like, in my opinion, there was nothing to even catch here on gold, to be real. This is just like a no trade range, in my opinion. So, no trades were ever present there for me. It's just based on like how price is moving throughout this zone, it's just very uncertain. Very uncertain. Yeah, I don't see like really anything I would have executed on, because I was looking at this earlier as it broke the low right here, but that was only like, you know, 15 pips to the downside. It's not enough range. So yeah, I really had nothing here on gold. For GJ, yeah, I mean, with this right here, that's pretty good confirmation for sells.
GJ?
Yeah. The problem is it took everybody for a ride to get like this.
You're talking about my entry? Or like currently?
Yeah, like right here at 168.801, something like that.
Oh, yeah.
Like
yeah, I liked my trade. I'm not mad at it.
Yeah, this would have been really solid, especially after it rejected this the second time. I mean, that would have been screaming sells.
Yeah. Oh, that's what I was waiting for on the first one.
Yeah. Yeah,
that triple rejection just kind of fucked everybody.
Yeah. Yeah, so that would have been pretty solid, but other than that, yeah, I mean, there's really nothing else. Like buys at the break of the high here of this bearish candle wouldn't have worked out. There's not enough range, and the sells that I took were invalid. So yeah, at least invalid in my opinion. If closed bearish 30 minutes, I'm gonna look for sell. Okay, yep. I think that would probably be a little bit smarter actually, because now you know we can say like the analysis is switching. Whoops. You know, we can look at it as sells with the break and close below here. Let me get rid of this nonsense here. And then you can target down here.
Oh, see you, Raj. I don't know when he sent that, but
yeah, he bounced on us.
I want to talk to Raj.
Yeah, he never says anything. I mean, he'll say stuff on the chat, but that's it.
Be like, all right, I won 4.
Yeah, that dude's always sniping shit, man. Like he's in Raj's channel too. I see him in there all the time, like sniping shit all night long, all day. He'll be sniping shit all day. But
yeah, it would be kind of fun to do like 0.2% risk, just like high frequency trading.
yeah, I think that's what he does. You know, he just I mean, I don't think he realistically takes like more than 2 to 3 a day, but it just seems like, you know, he's taking a lot of trades. But yeah, no, I think that's what he does. Like he has like a certain risk that he has, you know, in mind for the day, and you know, he's really good about closing out trades early. That's what I noticed. But yeah, I mean, the way I look at it is he just executes a lot. You know, he just executes on things that he's seen.
Yeah, that's what I need to work on.
Every opportunity he sees, he takes something.
That's why I'm kind of on this personal account. Just
seems like it is consolidating to me, somehow looking at the lower time frame of 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm not sure what pair you're looking at, but if you're looking at GJ here, yeah, it does look like it's ranging a little bit. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Like at this point, you know, this would be like a no trade zone until it breaks below. It's like a no flex zone, but a no trade zone. Yeah, this hourly break the lows. Yeah, this looks like it's gonna be a London session, or I mean a London close correction here. Kind of like I've been saying. See what's going on here. Holy, this thing looks like a light show.
I'm actually in those shorts.
Yeah, it looks pretty good though. Right here.
Yeah, I'm swinging.
I'm guessing this is all just like past information that he just keeps here. Like he doesn't clear the
Yeah.
charts. Because this has nothing to do with what he's doing over here.
Yeah, looks like it.
Looks solid. Oops. Yeah, the problem is with things like this, I can't tell how big these ranges are. So it's kind of hard, but just like looking at price, you know, I mean, if the range is big enough here, then perfect.
It looks better on the 4 hour.
USD CAD.
Oh, another one.
Yeah, so he's executing as it's breaking the lows, matching that up with the hourly time frame he's got here. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. Oh. Yeah, see now it's rejecting
I'm
here.
back.
Yeah. Oh, you're back.
My internet sucks.
Yeah, we know.
Yeah, it's funny. It just comes in waves. It comes in waves. Like for a while, it'll be totally fine, and then out of nowhere, it's just like.
Ooh. I did enter gold like a couple minutes ago.
On the buys or the sells?
How is gold going?
Sells
Oh,
Nice.
up 15.
Based on this 5 minute.
Yeah, 3 minute, but yeah. It's just been in that range, so I figured I would sell from the resistance.
yeah, that makes sense because that range
But it's
is very
not.
tough to break.
It's not a part of my plan, though. I just need to get used to executing.
DJ is going downtown.
Yeah, man.
Where would you end up buying a house, Mike?
I don't know, honestly. I mean, I would like to stay here
Wow.
on Tybee, but it's way too expensive.
Sheesh.
The market's
Tybee got
retarded.
bougie.
Yeah, the market's retarded here.
Like last time
Jack,
I
did you
went,
close?
gold.
No, GJ.
GJ. Yeah, I did. At
Oh,
20.
I told you to close few, Jack.
It was like a 0.01 lot running, so it's not like a big deal. I would have made an
You'd
extra
clo-
like 50 cents.
You leave 0.05 running.
Nah, not worth it. Yeah, last time I was in Tybee, it was a bunch of Teslas and like renovated buildings. It's weird.
Yeah, it's been pretty ridiculous here for real. Really expensive.
It's probably not as bad as Metro Atlanta though.
I don't know, man. I found a 500 square foot house here listed at $599,000.
What?
Yeah.
500 square foot?
Yeah, and it looked like a piece of shit. It was
Damn.
now granted it had dock
What's the
access,
payment
you know, so the property is probably what's like gouging that, but that's
Yeah.
still pretty retarded. I mean, when I first moved here in 2017, like you could buy a really fucking nice house for like 250,000.
Yeah, that's all property, gotta be.
Yeah.
It's like Lake Lanier now.
Yeah, just like literally just within the last couple of years, it just got like insane, man. Like now, I mean, you really can't find anything that like makes sense to like upgrade to live in, you know? That's like under 700.
Yeah, it's just the stimmies, big money supply.
Yeah, and I mean like the $700,000 homes, you know, like you probably thinking about it like, you know, it'd be pretty nice, but nah, they ain't that fucking nice.
Yeah,
You're
they're
like-
gonna be worth 500 years.
Yeah, it's like 1,500 square feet, you know, it'd be like 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, you know, need to be
Yeah,
like
it's
pretty much
crazy.
rebuilt for 500,000. It's insane. And like the thing is like I could easily just buy a house in Savannah or surrounding areas. I could get like property right on one of the rivers. I could have a dock on the river and spend like 300,000, have a big ass house, you know, and be like pretty comfortable. So
Yeah,
that's
one of our wholesalers is out of Savannah now. He like kind of switched over to Savannah, but we don't go out that far anyway.
Gotcha. Yeah, it's like crazy. As soon as you leave the island, it like gets a lot cheaper. And even if you like start to go like south of here, like Jekyll Island, stuff like that, it gets really cheap.
I love Jekyll.
Yeah, I've never been there. Christine, adios. Have a good one. Yeah, never been to Jekyll.
Except for those damn little gnats,
Oh yeah, no, we have that on Tybee. I mean,
no-see-ums.
yeah, I'm pretty used to it at this point.
Oh, I
That
just want
kind
to
of money
dig
can
camp.
set you free in Africa.
Oh yeah, no. Y'all got like killer bugs.
Fucking scorpions.
Yeah, y'all got like devil shit.
Oh, hold on.
Jake, what are you talking about?
What's that?
Like I was saying that the money you're talking about to buy a house can set you free in Africa.
Oh yeah, I bet that's a lot.
Holy, you're talking about a house of $700,000?
Yep.
You know what that can do for you in a country like Uganda? You know how much is that in Ugandan currency?
Could probably buy Uganda.
Probably now there are people who more like tycoons are there in Uganda. Like someone, if you catch that kind of money and you give it to an average person in Uganda, let's use a calculator.
Yeah.
Let me show you. type in 750 times $700,000. How much is that?
Would you say three what? 3,000?
3750. Yeah, 3,750.
Times 750,000?
$700,000. $700,000.
$700,000.
Yep.
Damn. 2.6 billion.
Yeah, I was gonna say like that number doesn't even like I don't even know what that means on my calculator.
2.6 bill.
Yeah. Yeah, 2.6 billion.
Wait, what's that?
You
What are
know
you guys
how
talking about?
Uganda money.
Oh,
You know what you can do? Someone that kind of builds more houses for rentals, because like something like 200 million, 100 million, you can build some rental houses and start real estate business here. That's about $100,000. $100,000 can start you up real estate business here in Uganda.
100,000 US dollars?
What's y'all's taxes like?
Yeah, $100,000. Yeah, taxes, but they're not all quite heavy, because if you see, we have value-added tax, we have income tax, you have pay as you earn. Like those people working with like NGOs, working with the government, they have that salary, that tax they always pay to the government. Like they take something like 2%, I guess, of your money, 1%, something like that, of your salary. Then some percentage of again of your money is taken to some security fund that they like. When you reach a certain amount of age, that money will be given back to you, something like that. They do all these things. But being here, it's like I've been telling you, like $700,000 can take you way far in life here in Uganda. Oh my days.
Yeah, I don't have $750,000. I was just saying, we're just talking about home prices here.
Yeah, like I'm saying, buying a home in the US only costs that much. In Uganda, you buy over a street of homes.
Yeah.
I mean, that is still a lot here. Like, that's not a cheap house.
No, yeah. Yeah, like my dad built like a fucking mansion. Like right when COVID started, built like a fucking mansion on his property. Huge house. Built it for like less than 200,000. But he owned the property, and it's in Michigan, you know, so like,
yeah, that's what I would say. Like 250, 300 is probably like typical home here.
yeah.
Yeah, like why don't you opt for that? Like buy land and then build a house. That's way more cheaper, right?
Yeah, but who the fuck
what I
wants to
wanna do,
live in
yeah.
Michigan, man? Michigan sucks. That's why it's so
Oh.
cheap, because the state sucks.
Oh.
That's why it's so expensive where I live, because a lot of people want to live here. You know, it's on the beach. You know, it's a small island. It's there's no room. You know, there's
Where
no
you at?
room.
Cleveland?
You say what?
Georgia.
Cleveland? Georgia. Oh.
Yeah, I live in Georgia. Yeah. I'll pull it up.
Harith, we're gonna take you to Malibu.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
When is that?
Guess how much those homes can get up to?
$1 million.
You won't get anything for $1 million. No, those homes on the beach, they can get up to like 100 million.
Holy crap. Oh my days.
Yeah, this.
100
Give
million.
me that. Give me that money. You'll never see me again anywhere.
Yeah, 100 million US dollars for a. I mean, they're nice. They're crazy.
Yeah, this
is Georgia, right?
Yeah, this is where I live here on this island.
Wow.
See, this right here is like
That's pretty
this is all swamp and marsh shit. It's all just like marsh. But yeah,
So
so
what about Beaver Hills? It's also expensive over there.
say what?
Beverly
Beaver
Hills.
Hills.
Oh yeah, it's
Yeah.
expensive as hell. But yeah, see, we're right here on the ocean.
Oh yeah.
Like Georgia is huge. Like this is the whole state of Georgia.
Oh. Savannah into it as well.
Yeah, that's like the closest like normal city to me. But yeah, not too far from Florida. But yeah, let's see if we
Where all
can.
these gurus are.
Yeah,
Here, let's see. Open this guy up.
down there in the Miami. What is it?
I just want to. I want Harith to see some of these Malibu homes.
What is this on Zillow?
Yeah.
So you're the East Coast, right?
Yeah,
Yes. Yeah. This is the West
72
Coast,
million.
Ooh, 72 million.
Yeah, look at this fucking castle. Holy.
You know what? You know what's funny?
You could get
Price
that
of that
for
home.
less than $1 million in Michigan. This thing right here, less than $1 million in Michigan.
Nah, dude, that shit's craftsman. This is nice. Well,
Less-
I mean, you couldn't even get that home in Michigan.
Yeah, with not on the property. Yeah, look at this though. Holy, this is insane.
Yeah. Yeah, this is different. This is different money.
Shit. You know, I can build that house with with less cash in Uganda. Material is cheap here.
Oh yeah,
Oh, what the fuck?
but it wouldn't be on the Malibu coastline though.
That's that. Yeah, exactly. What sells it is Malibu.
Malibu's nice, man. I used to live in Calabasas, like right north of there. And I would just, for fun, just drive down that road. It's crazy.
Yeah, I used to live in San Luis Obispo,
Is that LA County?
north of LA. It's north of Santa Barbara.
Oh, okay. I want to go to Santa Barbara. Max I've gone is like Ventura.
Yeah,
So LA is in the West Coast.
Yeah.
yeah, in California.
Like right above Mexico.
Oh, that's why a lot of Latinas are there.
Yeah.
This thing's moving slow.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that PC.
But yeah, three bedroom, one bath. 3-bedroom, 1 bath. This thing looks like a piece of shit.
Come on. It looks like something we would buy in Atlanta for
For 70,000.
not Atlanta. I mean, that could be up there in Atlanta, but we'd probably buy that for like 150, put like 100 in it, and then sell it for like 4 or something.
Dude, this thing looks like a piece of shit, dude. Like, this is like... This thing needs to be bulldozed, man.
Yeah, that's crazy.
It's just insane.
I didn't know Tybee was like that. That's whack.
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty fucking whack, alright. Yeah. And it just got like that. Like in the last 2 years, 3 years. Really, like once everything started shutting down because of COVID, like shit just got crazy. My family used to come down here every summer for like a week. They would come on vacation, rent like a big ass house for like the week. And when they first came down, I think it was like $3,000 for the week or something. This last year when they were looking at it for last summer, it was over $10,000 for the week.
10 grand. I feel like that's more of like a bubble market though.
Oh yeah, yeah,
I mean, everything rose in the past 2 years, but
yeah.
that type of growth and that like specialized of an area, I mean, that just kind of screams bubble.
Yeah, it's pretty insane, honestly. It's pretty insane. Like, it's I mean, we got like a freaking fat condo in Mexico. You know, that bitch was 4-bedroom. I mean, it was nice, you know, housekeepers and stuff, you know, pool right on the water, all this shit. It was like $2,000 for the week, you know, and they want to charge 10 grand to stay on the beach in Tybee Island, Georgia. Like, what the fuck, crackheads? Like, what the fuck?
Tybee is not that.
That's what I'm saying. We were on the Caribbean, you know, we're in the fucking, we were right there, like, you know, snorkeling right off the balcony, you know, like.
That's great. I want to go to Mexico or something like that.
Yeah, it's Cozumel, man. It's the happy land.
Yeah, I've thought about buying a house when this lease ends in like August or something, but I don't know. I kind of want to relocate to Colorado, to be honest.
Yeah, my business partner used to live in Colorado. He lived in Denver, in downtown Denver for a little bit, and then he lived in Boulder.
Damn, yeah, Boulder's the dream.
Yeah, he loved it. He just didn't really know anybody out there. Like a lot of our friends like live in Austin. Like they moved to Austin, so.
Yeah, that'd be cool, but there's just, I don't know, dude, Boulder, you have everything like that I would want right there.
Yeah.
Mountain bike, rock climb in the summer, snowboard in the winter, hike all year.
Yeah, 100%. But word, guys, I'm gonna shut this thing down for today. Get to it. I got a lot of shit to do.
I'm gonna shut this gold trade down.
Gotta clean up my house here. The damn family coming. But yeah, I mean, yeah, gold looks pretty shitty. Definitely need like a break and close above or below, and then same thing with GJ. Really, both of them.
23 pips. Close it out.
Yeah.
Full position.
Hell yeah.
Oh, right here, it's about to hit TP. Yeah, I'll let it hit. Arif.
You see that house there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That house is in Munyonyo, one of the richest areas in Uganda. That house costs around like $400,000. It is a 6-bedroom house, and 6 bedrooms with as well 5 bathrooms in it. Or 6? No, there are 6 but let me see. 5 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms in it, with a pool, jacuzzi, and stuff, everything.
Damn. Well.
450.
Yeah, that's pretty
In
crazy.
dollars, like. If you
Yeah,
can
we're
see inside it.
going to Uganda.
Yeah, hell
That's
yeah.
nuts. That's nuts.
I mean, it makes sense, like why Raja moved back to Pakistan, man. Like he's like a king over there.
Yeah, because
you know? He's
He
like,
has more money than the king.
yeah, he's like, I could buy this whole fucking country. I'm moving back to Pakistan. But word, I'm gonna shut it down, guys.
Yeah, shut it down.
Done for the day.
Okay.
Done for the day.
Yeah, me too. Alright, we'll see y'all tomorrow. Oh, wait, no, are you doing tomorrow?
Yeah, I think I might hop on. I might hop on and see what it looks like, honestly.
Around. Thank you very much. See you around.
Adios,
Yeah, we'll
Arif.
see. Just post it.
Yeah, I might hop in. I'll have to see like what the kind of the plan is over here on my side of things, with the family and stuff. But I don't think we got anything going on in the morning, so.
Probably don't have volume though, but we can see.
Yeah, that's what I'm kind of curious about, because you know, GBP will still be open, so we could, you know. So yeah, I'll be kind of interested to see it. That's honestly kind of why I want to just at least show up and do an analysis, see if there's anything to execute on.
Yeah, it might be just no trade, but just watch.
Yeah. But yeah, I'll probably start
Look at
something
this
up. I'll
one.
post it in the chat.
You better come in Uganda, boys. Come invest in Uganda.
Yeah, that
Check this one.
thing looks sick, honestly. Those are like those Malibu type houses for
Yeah,
real.
It's like a Malibu home.
Yeah. But I'm saying, like, that kind of money, I build that Malibu house in Uganda.
pay $500,000 to secure a home in most of the secure places in Uganda. Check.
Yeah, that's
sick.
crazy.
Here we go. And you're the richest guy around town.
People ask, what do you do? Unemployed.
Unemployable.
So you look at the villas I was talking about, the ones you can like construct and then start a real estate with that kind of money. Build those kind of houses and then rent them out. These apartments, rent them out to people, and then you can just keep on eating your clean money without any problem. Like those are the opportunities. That's why Raja went back to Pakistan. Those are one of the reasons why.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah,
We'll
no,
see.
he's living rich over there. Rich as hell over there.
Yeah, sure.
But alright guys, I'm gonna shut it down. We'll catch up tomorrow. We'll see what's happening tomorrow. Like I said, Jake, I'll probably post something, and if you're around, feel free to hop in. If not, no worries.
Yeah. Alright, cool. See y'all.
Cool, peace out.
See you. Ciao. Take care, guys.
Bye.
Peace out, YouTube. Thanks for
Peace out,
hopping
peace
in.
out.
Don't forget to give a like on the stream, and if you're new, subscribe. Adios.